Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 21 of our VLOGMAS series. And in today's episode, we'll be looking at how to make use of the past statement. Now, when we talk of the past statement, it's basically sort of a placeholder. What we do is maybe you want to leave a set of code blank, or let's say an aspect of a function or a particular construct blank, but then you don't want it to generate an error. So you use the past as a way of bypassing the error statement. Okay, so let's say we are building a function, say def, and then we call the function, say sum of x and y. And then if I just have this, okay, you notice that there's a warning symbol here. It tells me unexpected EOF, that's end of file while passing. Now, if I run this, it will generate an error. So what you'd want to do, so there's a syntax error. What you want to do, since we don't want to keep anything within this function, is just to pass in a pass statement. And so with a pass, we use that as a means to bypass the error. So this comes in very handy when you're building a block of maybe a code and there's an aspect where you wouldn't want to basically do anything, or for the time being, you have nothing to pass into that part. You just pass in the pass statement, and then that should work pretty fine. Okay, so you can make use of the past statement whenever you're building your future codes. I believe you had an amazing time in today's episode. And if you have a question, just leave it in the comment section and then the team would address it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and then click on the post notification so you get updated whenever there's any new content. To our existing subscribers, we say thank you. And then we hope to see you guys all at the top. Keep learning and then keep being the best. Thank you.